Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across this YouTube channel, do not fail to like, share and subscribe. This is True Talk Margaret TV. The weather today is very good. Very good weather, but it's very cold. Very cold here in my city. Let's go for today's topic. Today's topic is two couple from Cameroon. They live in France. So somebody sent me video, which I will show you guys the video later. And he said, True Talk Margaret, please listen to this video, watch this video. I want you to speak about this video because it will help a lot of people. A lot of men and women will learn from this video too. That this is about two couples. I said, okay, look the video. I watched, I listened, and what I understand, I was like thinking maybe somebody steal come to this woman's house and break in when she was not around. Steal TV, children bed, and scatter the food. You know, bring the food from the fridge and pour it on the floor. Maybe somebody who don't like her, but I was like, but this is Europe. It's not easy for somebody just break in somebody's house and nobody speak, especially in that area if they don't know you. So I say, please make me to understand this video, what really goes on, because the way I understand is like they steal from this woman, but this is not Africa, this is Europe. Somebody cannot just go in somebody's house and break in and steal. And he said, no, my sister, that is not what happened. Okay, what happened? Explain to me. So she said this video is about two couples. Although they are not married, but they have been together for 11 years. I said, wow, 11 years, this man not married to her. I said, no. 11 years, this woman spent time with this man 11 years without getting married. They said, no. They are going to have 2 kids together. Wow. 11 years. It's not 11 years, it's not today. It's not today. I said, okay, what happened? He said, he don't know what this man, this Cameroon woman do to the man, to his baby father. But it's normal. In the morning, everybody go to work. If the man have work, he go to work. When the woman have work, go to work. Or if the woman don't have work, he bring the children in the school or in the kindergarten. So this lady woman go work in the morning after dropping the children in the school and kindergarten. So come back from work, you see that the house is empty. Wow, the TV is not there, bed is not there, baby bed is not there, the food from the fridge, all the food is out from the fridge, all the food is out, the man is not there. Do you know what happened? This man left this woman for 11 years. They have been together 11 years. 11 years is not to do my brothers and my sister with 2 children. Wow. Why this man will leave this woman with 2 children? Woman that both of them have been together for good 11 years and they have children together. And not only leaving this woman, that okay, with some women offend men. You know, this Europe, some women, they take advantage of the power, you know, because women have more power. So they take advantage. So maybe they don't have respect for their husband, or they don't have respect for their boyfriend. They talk the man down. And they use the man to do housework or so. For me, it's not a bad thing if man supports his wife for cleaning and taking care of the kids too. Because here in Europe, we don't have family. Our parents are not here. Everyone on your own. So 2 couples have to cooperate together. They have to do things together. The man cannot leave everything for the woman to do. I say, oh, this is woman work. Do it yourself. go for work, bring children and clean, and they cook, and the man just lay down and play with telephone. You know, the woman will be too much for the woman. You know, so myself, I don't really understand what to make this man go pack, leave this woman. Not only he surprised this woman with a shock, surprise after 11 years, you carry the TV, your own children. First, I will start from the man before I will begin to talk about the woman. Because in any relationship, when there's problem, the two people are wrong. Because one person cannot be in the right, you know. They all have their weak side or their bad side. So first, I will go for the man, because it's the man that pack away, and not only pack away, steal from the woman. Take the TV, carry the TV with, and the baby bed. Wow, I don't understand those kind of man could do that too. This woman, his woman, you be together 11 years. One, you did not marry to her. For 11 years, you have been with her, sleeping with her, having baby with her, for free. For free. Yeah, I say it for free. Because you never buy drink for the papa who gives birth to the daughter, to the girl, the lady. You never see the mama of the lady who carry her for 9 months. You never go say, oh, I love your daughter, I want to be with her. You do the normal African traditional thing man supposed to do before, and even if you are not really paid the traditional marriage things, there's other things you can do. That is, you are introducing yourself to the family, okay, like buying drink for the mother and the father, let them know you are with their daughter. You know, never do that. Okay, 11 years. You be with her for 11 years. You have children together with her. No matter what that woman did to you, no matter what that woman, I know some women are very rude, disrespectful, but you as a man, you go consider, say, okay, this woman, I don't deal with her, even though I not go marry her, even though I go leave her today, but I go leave her in a very good way, in a peaceful way, so that I'll feel have contact with my kids. Let your children be very, very important to you. Your children are very, very, it's your blood. You know, some men, but they don't want woman again, or they have problem with women, or that they hate the woman who they have been together for 11 years or for some years. They put that hatred, they take it to the children too, and that is very bad. That is very bad. This is your blood, like your pikin. Some men will abandon children with their mother because they don't want the mother again. You don't know what that child will be tomorrow. You don't know what that child will be tomorrow. This is message for men now. I'm talking about the men. No matter what a woman do to you, do not put that hunger. Do not put it on the children. Those children are very, 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 very innocent children. I advise men, if you are living, whether you are a black man or you are a white man, but most of the time it's our black brothers that do that. If you do not want to man again, in a peaceful way, you separate with the woman, you talk with her, you make her understand that you don't love her anymore. You don't want to get any, you don't want to do anything with her. You don't want to have anything like sleeping together. You understand? But so we have children together. We have to come together, plan together, so that our children will have a good life. That is, take care of the children. Hello. Take care of the kids, you know. Yeah. You sit with the woman, make her to understand that I don't love you anymore, but I love my kids. My kids are my blood. Because of my kids, we'll be having contact, but just because of the kids. I will be coming once in a week or 2 times in a week to visit the children, and when the children have holiday, I will come and take them for 1 week or 2 weeks. Have time with your children. You know, go say because you have problem with your baby mama, you put the frustration on the kids. You will hate the kids too. You will dislike the kid. You will say, okay, so I don't love my mama again. I don't love the kid. Oh, for God's sake, these children are innocent. When both of you are having connecting together, these children did not ask you people to connect and bring them to this world. So why will you abandon them? Why will you leave the children, the mother to take care of the children alone? And you are packing. You even pack this small pack. Reach our own baby bed. Pack the baby bed. Pack the bed from the woman. Take the TV that the children at least they will have fun with. You know, which kind of man will do that? No matter what this woman did to you, even if this woman cheat on you, if this woman treats you like it does not treat you like a man, or treat you like I don't want to call the word, you know, because I don't want to call the word because sometimes you two don't like those words. So maybe the woman treats you like you are not a man, the way African women treat their men, you know. But you will understand that this is Europe, and Europe they treat everybody equal. The same rights the men have, the same rights the women have. This most of our African men would understand. You understand? Yeah. Maybe before this man pack like that, pack everything within the house, put the food for ground, pack the food for ground, scatter everything. Take our own baby bed, our own baby, our blood. That is, I was shocked that this man, at least if this man they leave safe, you don't want to say goodbye to the children. At least you put a little letter, write a letter down, put something on the letter, you know, like gift for the children. The last gift you give the children, maybe you will not see them again. Maybe you will still meet them when they are grown, and you will explain the reason why you left. But what kind of explanation you want to give the kids later? That okay, your mother offended me, then I carry your baby, I carry your bed when you are a baby, I took the TV that you will watch, at least you watch cartoon movie, you take it, just to put the woman on pain. And you're putting the mother on pain, you are putting your own child in pain too. Some men don't really think, they don't care. They don't care. They don't care. You understand? They don't care whether if the woman is frustrated, the frustration turns to the innocent children. They don't care. And you know, in my own time, we met with our people make parables. A parable. This parable says that with 2 elephants they fight, or if 2 lions they fight, now who they suffer and pass? Now the ground. Now the ground they suffer and pass. When 2 couples meet together and they say themselves they love each other, they are going for dinner, they are going for drinking, dancing. At the end, they sleep together and make love and produce children. Those innocent children are not there. Hello? Those innocent kids are not there. So why are they now putting the frustration on the innocent children who does not know anything? You understand? They put the frustration on those innocent children who does not know anything. Wow. This is very sad, eh? I just imagine how these children now will feel, because some mother some mother cannot say okay. Some mother put the frustration on the kids, you know. They put the frustration on the kids. So how they say, see what your father did to me. You understand? I hope the woman, my advice to them goes to this woman. No matter what this man did to you, love your children more. Do not put the frustration on the kids. Do not say, I see what your useless father did to me. No. These children, they don't deserve that. They don't know anything. Love your children more. This advice goes to this Cameroon lady. Love your children more. Because when you are having contact with this man, your kids are not there. When both of you are talking how to have kids, how you both of you love yourself, these innocent children are not there. So the man have hurt the kids. You know, the man have put pains on the heart of the kids. Because children never forget anything. Me, what happened to me when I was young, till now, I still put it on my head. I never forget. Never. So we should be careful. We should be careful how we treat ourselves, because it's affecting our kids. Yes, especially with Africa living in Europe, it's affecting our kids. When I have my own problem, I love my children more, because every time I think it's not the fault of the kids, they are innocent, and I make them happy the way I can do. I put my fault on myself, I put the blame on myself, and when I want to have my pain, I have my pain secretly so that it will not affect my kids. Because when I begin to understand that everything that is going on, my little boy is as small 2 years or 2.5 years old, begin to understand. Then I begin to call myself that if I'm sometimes emotional and I want to cry, I will not cry the rest of the boy. I will cry secretly so the boy will not know. Till the day my son asks me, Mama, you are crying again? And I say, Daniel, how do you know I cry? I say, yeah, Mama, when you are crying, I always know. So I stop to cry when he's there. And I stop to talk about my problem, about my fault on my marriage, my first marriage. What bring me and my husband divorce? My fault. I think my fault. I don't think him. I think myself. Oh, why do I make this mistake? And I say it, and I speak about the betrayal of family and friends and so, and I cry. I say, this word is so. Why will I make this kind of mistake? So I don't know, saying it and bringing water in my eyes. My son see it, and one time he have to speak when he was like 4 years, and he said, Mama, why are you crying? You are start crying again. Wow. And I say, oh, Daniel, no, I'm not crying. I said, you are crying. Anytime you cry, I know. So I know this is not good for my son, and I stop it. When I want to think about my life or think my mistake, I do secretly, privately, so that it will not affect my son. It will not affect my daughter, because she was just a baby, so she don't know anything. Sometimes the brother try to make her to understand, and I say, oh, Daniel, it's not your duty to do that. It's mama duty. Then I'll say, Ella, it's not now when you are growing up. So now I want to bring the advice to this lady. First, I want to advise all the young ladies and young men. It is not good for a woman to stay with a man for 1 year, 2 years, and a man for 2 years. We live with a man for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years is not even thinking to see your family or planning to pay your bride price or go and see your parents, arrange for marriage. Stop that relationship. Stop it. Stop it. Because this lady now wastes 11 years with this man for nothing at the head. At the head, now slap now you get for her face. So my advice for ladies, if you know, because in this Europe you see some women, they have babies with men, 3 baby, 4 baby, 5 baby. The man never pay for the head. They call the man my husband. It is not your husband. Even what you are doing is a sin. Is a sin, and that kids are not your kids, are not the markets. They are your own kids. The kids will answer your name because the man has not. Hello, my chat. Because the kid. Hello. So that. Sorry guys, I'm picking my daughter, so I'm making a video. That man is the really father of the kids, but the kids will not answer his name. Why? Because he's not married to her. He will answer the man, the woman name. That is the woman father name. In Igbo tradition, so that is why I like Igbo tradition, and I like people from Igbos. I like their tradition, and I really, their tradition is like even the Europa. Even here in Germany, if you are not married, if a man has not married to you, and both of you have a child, anyway, they say depends. The man don't have right. He can sign, but the child will answer the name of the mother. Or if the woman married to another man, that child will answer the name of that man. Or if the woman is married before and divorced, you understand? And you as a woman married to another man and you have baby with that man, the baby will be and the woman is still answering the name of that man. That child will be answering the name of that man, because you are not married to the woman. Even the Bible says it. You understand? Even the Bible says it. I don't understand where some women will deal with man. They will have 3, 5 children, and this man have not paid for your head. And you will say, my husband, it is not your husband. Both of you are lover. You are lover. Tell that man to go and pay for your head. Tell that man to go and marry you. Let it go and do this traditional marriage. Even though you don't want to do court marriage, go and do traditional marriage. Do your traditional marriage. It is very, very important that you do your traditional marriage. So this woman make a very big mistake for live with a man for 11 years, have 2 kids together without this man not married to her. And I hope this will teach a lot of women lesson, that no matter the years you be with a man, no matter the children you have with that man, if that man love don't finish, the man don't love you again. If the man want to slap you on your face, he will do it without even thinking about the kids. Some men are so, you know. So women will be careful, and you know, man will not love you. Always look for mistake to say, she's like this, she's like that. I'm telling you, I'm talking through experience, you know. If man not love you again, because man will love you, not will see any mistake from you. Rather, he want to correct your mistake, he want to help you, he want to make you to stand, you know. He don't condemn you, he don't condemn you on your mistake. But man will not love you. They go, they begin to spoil you, they give his friends, family, you know, they say negative things. No matter what you do to that, you do to please him. He will not please enough. He will always have something to say, something to talk about to condemn you. Yeah. So women will be careful for this abroad who will be there. Living with a man who is not married to you. Wow. For 11 years. It's like you waste a whole full 11 years it's not one day something. 11 years is not one day something. It's not 1 year, it's not 2 years, not 3. You are talking about 11 years. And this man just left this woman for nothing. For nothing sake. This is really heartbroken, you know. And a lot of women, they make that mistake. So women, stop to make mistake. Just not a day with man. Man will never marry you. Not they call her your husband. Yeah, it's not bad say you people have children together. It's not bad. It's not bad that you people have children together. Yeah. But it's my video yet, okay? Sorry for the distraction. Now I have to tell you guys, like I'm going out to pick my daughter, so I have to make this video outside. So like what I'm saying, ladies have to be careful not to just stay with a man for 1 year, 2 years, it's okay. 3 years, then you begin to 2.5 years, 2 years, 2.5 years, you begin to ask the man, are you getting married to me or not? So that if you know if the man don't love you or you don't want to marry to you, break up the relationship and look and start your life, and God will bring you your rightful husband. Than just stay there and waste your time. At the end, the man will dump you like crack, say negative things about you. Is that how you know that you don't clean well? Is that how you know that you don't know how to cook? Is that how you know that you are very assertive? Is that time that you know that, because women have love, women have power. You know, some men say will even provoke you by waking in the morning, sitting down there doing nothing, even go to work. No, you'll be the one doing everything in the house. Then when you talk, they will record you and provoke you and send you. You know, they provoke you, and before you will say something that you don't want to say, and they will say, and maybe self they will put their phone on, they'll call their friend or call their family after provoking you, saying all the words they want to say to you. By the time when you reply, is that time that come. I will go fast, okay? You cannot do people here, okay? So it's that time that they will secretly put their friend on phone, so that the friend will be hearing everything you are talking, you are speaking, after provoking you, because they want to dump you. You know, all these years they want to dump you. Some will just want you to have baby because of document. They want to have baby with you. After having the document, they leave you. So women have to be careful. And secondly, there's some women, they are lucky to have good men, but they are very aggressive, very insultive. They don't have respect for their man. If you have a good man, a man that loves you, respect you, cherish you, please respect that man back. Show respect to that man. Hello. Show respect to that man. Don't throw insultive words to the man. Insult the man. Tell the man to be cleaning all the time. Yeah, it's good for man to help you, but not all the time. The man have to be cleaning and you there sitting down there watching TV, doing nothing, you know. So we don't really know what to push this man. What did this woman do to this man for 11 years together that make him decided to leave this woman without saying goodbye, or that without putting a short load down, but pack TV, pack everything. So before I keep on speaking, I just want us to watch this video and see what this man did to this woman. So thank you for watching.
Voilà, je suis en train de filmer encore. J'étais pas là, j'étais au boulot. Le papa de mes enfants, il a tout ramassé dans la maison.
Pourquoi?
Il y avait le frigo dans la cuisine.
Même si le congélateur l'a pris,
il y avait le matelas. Il a pris le matelas.
Hey! Le bazar qu'il a fait là, hein?
Il y avait un lit des enfants là, lit de la petite. Il a pris. Ah! Il y avait un congélateur qui était là. Il a pris. Il y a, comment dirais-je, une table à manger là. Il a tout pris.
Hey! Regarde, filme ici. Elle a pris
la nourriture.
La nourriture, il l'a mis dans un sac à poubelle. Hein?
Il a mis la nourriture dans un sac à poubelle.
N'importe quoi. C'est malade, hein?
Il a mis tout. Il a pris la télé. Tout.
La télé, tout.
La télé, tout. Il a tout ramassé. Un monsieur que j'ai fait 11 ans avec lui.
Quoi?
11 ans. Il est resté chez moi. Il a construit chez lui. Aujourd'hui, il ramasse tout. Il a tout ramassé derrière moi. J'étais au boulot, il a tout ramassé. Il a tout ramassé mes affaires. Il a tout ramassé. La maison est vide. C'est lui. Il a tout ramassé. Voyez la maison. Regardez la maison est vide. Vous voyez? La maison est vide. Je vous montre encore la nourriture. La nourriture dans le sac.
Qui était au congélateur.
Au congélateur, la nourriture qui était au congélateur.
Regarde, la nourriture qui était au frigo, il a mis là-bas.
Voici d'autres aussi. Il a tout enlevé dans le congélateur, dans le frigo.
Regarde
la nourriture que je mange avec les enfants.
Regarde le frites, il est vraiment...
La nourriture, je mange avec les enfants. Un monsieur, j'ai fait 11 ans avec lui, 2 enfants.
Mais ses enfants, c'est ses enfants. Hein?
Ce sont ses propres enfants. J'ai fait 2 enfants avec lui, il a tout enlevé. J'étais au travail, il a tout enlevé. Un Camerounais. Il s'appelle Jean-Claude Mbouemboué. Il est resté chez moi pendant des années. Pendant des années. En train de m'escroquer. Je l'ai laissé dans la maison. Il s'appelle Jean-Claude Mbouemboué. C'est un Camerounais.
Il faut le publier parce que...
Oui, c'est un Camerounais. C'est un Camerounais qui me fait ça. Qui vide ma maison. Il dit qu'il est garçon. Il a vidé ma maison. Il a pris le frigo. Le frigo, j'ai mis la nourriture dedans. Il a mangé jusqu'à aujourd'hui. Il a tout vidé dans ma maison.
Regarde le ketchup des enfants. Il a tout...
Oui. Il a tout enlevé dans ma maison. Tout. Combien d'années j'ai fait avec ce monsieur? Voilà aujourd'hui, comment il m'a remercié.
Parti.
Un Camerounais, il s'appelle Jean-Claude Mbouemboué. Il vient de Douala. C'est lui qui m'a fait ça. Tant d'années. C'est lui qui m'a fait ça. C'est lui qui m'a fait ça. J'avais les assiettes dans ce truc-là. Il a tout enlevé. Tout, il a tout enlevé. Regardez les assiettes. Il a tout enlevé. Il a tout enlevé. Oui, il a tout enlevé. Vous voyez?
Il a pris le placard, il est parti avec.
Il est parti avec le placard. Il a tout enlevé.
Okay, my people, una don't see the video now. Una don't see. So, una see the way the man scatter the house. The way the man pack TV, pack bed, pack even the baby bed. Now why? What you go provoke this man? What did this man do to this man? Why this man provoke this and say, he even carry him pikin bed. He carry him pikin bed, the baby bed. Carry them, put the food for ground, bring the food from fridge. You know, take what you want to take inside. Oh my God. This man is heartless. Yeah, it's heartless. No matter what the woman go do. I know say some women get mad when they get bad mouth. But not be this way. Not be this way to treat to pack things. Take TV. For woman you be for 11 years. 11 years this woman no good, but you stay with her for 11 years. 11 years this woman not get respect. You stay with her for 11 years. 11 years this woman not they treat you like a man. But you deal with her for 11 years. Not 2 years, or not 3 years, or not 4 years, or not 5 years. 11 years. And the woman not good. It's not good enough. You understand? So this man forget say this not be Africa. They say now Europe day. One day they will find her. One day they will find her, because if this woman take this issue now to police, police must find her. No matter how you run rich, they will catch you. They will catch you, and the neighbors that will not speak. Hope you say that they pack, because they don't know the truth for a long time. They don't know say Ken and husband. In Europe, things they happen no for couple, for Africa couple. Even thank God say the man never kill the woman. Say thank God say he never kill him before he pack everything wrong. You understand? Because no matter what the woman go do to a man, not be that extent. Not be that extent. So because they give the woman, because they pack, even though without not even saying goodbye, but packing the things, packing TV. Scatter has not been in. And when I don't get children together, the kid don't be inside. You will carry your baby bed. What a shame. This man is not a man anyway. This man is not a man. This man is not a man. We have to be careful in Europe. We don't have to trust anybody. Couple together, they are betraying each other. You know? They betray each other. Sometimes you go there with somebody, you don't know that the person they sell you out. Now they bring you out. Now they gossip you out. They talk things about you. And some couples that they do to that man or woman, they do so when they won't leave you, or they won't leave, they will go close to your people who don't. They'll go to people who don't like you to gossip you. They'll go to people who don't like you to join hands together to bring you down. And we're going to take care. We're going to take care. This is Europe. Our people are not with us. Family members are not there. Our mothers are not there. Normal, our husband supposed to be our best friend. Most of us who come to Europe, you know, that is the mistake we make. Everything that we happen in our marriage, we say to our best friend, forgetting that your best friend is even your worst enemy. You will not know that your best friend can even be your worst enemy. You will think that you are saying this to your friend, you will keep it on your problem, it will be there for you. No, that the one you will surprise that which this man even do. Now even the friend of the man will give the man advice. Do her so, treat her this way, so that it will pay her. Maybe we will be the friend of this lady that even will give the man advice that this is how you will treat her, without even thinking, because some people are wicked. Some people's life are destroyed in Europe, marriage are destroyed, and they are ready to destroy anyone. They don't want to see anyone too happy. They say, I'm not happy, you will not be happy. You understand? So marriage really go with peace, finish with peace. If nobody puts mouth in, they will still be having good connection. Because of the children, they will still be having good connection. You know, visiting each other, calling each other, taking care of the kids together. Because nobody don't give bad advice. Nobody don't say abandon her with the children alone, so that the woman will go crazy. so that the woman head could turn, you know. Do her so that she go lost the children, so that government go take the children. Some people go to give bad advice, so they talk through my own experiments, what I don't see for Europe. So when we talk say we get friends for Europe, because this man not just pack like that without somebody not even tell us say do so. This man not go just pack like that without nobody give her very bad advice. Now somebody must give her bad, very bad advice. They treat her this way, so she don't have respect for you. But when you want to leave her, don't let her know. Just pack everything. Make her go depressed. Frustrate her. Without even as they give the man advice, maybe they think say for themselves. For themselves, you'll say even if you do her so, if she go crazy, government will take children from her. Some men say people prefer me government take the children than their mother, their baby mother take care of the children. That is very bad. That is why in Europe you're going to be careful. If you are with your man, stay alone with your man. Stay alone with your man. Do not take your friendship out. Every your secret, put it indoor. Let your secret be with you. Put God, pray to God, and God will take control. A man will never marry you, not spend time with man. Will never marry you for 3 years. 2 years and 2.5 years is enough. The 3rd year is enough for the man to go and do your bride price, or if you don't want to go to Africa to pay your bride price, you can do court marriage here. So my ladies, don't waste your time with any man who is not ready to marry you, because at the end, it's not all go better. It's not all end in a good way. Like this lady now will be example. It will be example for every ladies that yes, we don't want to be alone, but let God give us a rightful man. Let God give us a rightful husband. Wait for God time. God time is the best. Any man will say no will be with you, or you know want marry you, let her or him go. Okay, let him go. If na woman, let the woman go. And men, if you know say woman not good for you, you know they respectful. Not waste the woman time. You understand? Don't waste the woman time. You can easily let her go. Let her go. You know, let her go. If you think that woman is using the Europe law, that a woman have power here to intimidate you, then let her go. Because this woman stay with this man for 11 years. Some will say, the women drive their men out because of kindergarten, because of the children money, and so on and so forth. But this woman stay with this man for 11 years. They see waiting this man do. See how the man embarrass her. See how the man put disgrace on her. 11 years no marry with 2 children. With 2 children. Maybe hope you say the man go marry. Now it is spent all your time 11 years. Say, I don't want to go from one man to another man. Now it is for 11 years. Now he's alone now. That's 11 years now. That 11 years where he goes with the man now. If you let the man go this, or if you get the sign, say tomorrow now this man will abandon her without even saying goodbye. This man will leave her without even saying, okay, let's sit down and talk. I don't love you anymore. Or I'll find someone I love and let everybody go. Yeah, we have to put hands together and take care of the children together. We have to show the children more love because it's not the fault of the children. I think it will be fine. It will be fine. It will be okay. Happy? But they all decided to do this to the man decided to do this to the woman by don't pay her, putting things on her, even stealing from her, giving her so much pain. This is very bad. This is really bad, really bad. I hope this will teach a lot of women a lot of lesson, because I don't even know how to even talk to this lady, because she needs advice. You don't need anybody to condemn her, so you don't put a comment that will hurt her more. Put a comment, encouragement comment, you know. Put encourage. She has made mistake by living with this man for 11 years, and you are living with somebody you don't even know. Sometimes you live with people you don't know that they can do this to you, you know. For 11 years you live with some people you don't know that they have this kind of heart, that tomorrow they will treat you bad. So this lady don't need to be condemned because she have made mistake for live with a man she don't know for 11 years. I have 2 kids together, and at the end, look at what the man did to her. We don't need to condemn her. We all just need to give her encouragement and let other women to learn and give her anytime she come across this video, or if she want to really, if she can speak and we can all know what really push this man to act this way, it would be very good if we can hear from her. So I hope that when she come across this video, she will want to say her own part of the story and what pushed this man to do this kind of thing. Because I don't think that this man want to call and speak, because when the police get on this man, this is stealing. She have to pay for everything, and maybe she will end up in jail. Him himself will end up in jail, or he will have a punishment. They call it traffic, yeah, for packing things that is not from you, or without the woman saying yes, yeah, I'm the one that give you the order to take it. So ladies and gentlemen, we have to be careful. Europe is not easy. We cannot trust each other. Couples cannot trust each other. Yeah, we cannot trust them. The person you live with, you go with your clean heart with, you don't know the heart he has for you. You know, if only God can show us the heart of a man, then we know how to follow people. You understand? Because the people you even they suspect, now there will be the nice people to you. The person you they suspect can even be the nice one. The person you think cannot do nothing like this. This person is too quiet, is too nice, is too lovely, shower me with love, he clean, he will give me respect. Maybe this person is doing this because he wants something from you. You understand? And son, if they cannot get it, they will change. You just see they change. Son, they don't meet you, they need something from you. They are very nice because they want something from you. But as soon as they cannot get what they want from you, they will just change attitude. You yourself, you ask yourself, why he change attitude? No, he don't really love you. He wants something from you. That love he they show you, that is a fake love. So this man be showing this lady fake love for 11 years. For good 11 years. Because me, I always speak for myself. I cannot love somebody 11 years, and if I don't love the person anymore, I will not forget the good time. The good time always be in my memory. And I learn if I want to leave somebody, or we are not going to be friends anymore, before we say anything negative about the person, I will first of all think the positive things, the good things about this man, you know, the good time, the time this man is very nice to me. I will be thinking about it. I learned to do that. I learned to see only the good side of people. Everybody, we are not perfect. Everybody have the good and the bad side. So we have to learn to think about the good side of somebody. It's not because you don't want the person again that you will be looking for something to bring the person down, to talk the person down, to make the person bad person in the eyes of other people. And some people have this sweet mouth to condemn people. Do you understand? To condemn people. Now see what this man do to this woman. This one now is public distress, you know, disappointment, pains, not only for the mother, also with the kids. With the kids too. So tomorrow now, when these children grow up, this man meet with these children. What do you want to tell? What will be the explanation you have for the kids? Your mother don't have respect. Your mother treats me like I'm not a man. I don't want to call that word, no? You treat me like I'm not a man. You don't cook for me. You use me. But that will not guarantee you to push to bring this kind of a pain to a woman. No. No woman wants this kind of pain to pack and leave. For my own traditional, now women who they pack leave man, not be man they pack leave woman. Now woman before the man go call woman don't go. So the woman don't leave the man no, because the man they maltreat the woman or the man they beat the woman. But now this is the first video I see for my life saying man in Europe again. Before woman come from work, man don't enter the house. Enter rich children, enter rich food for fridge. What kind of man be this? no matter what this will do to him, you don't have to do that. I don't know my people. Now my own at the top. Now wait, I think concerning this issue. Now at the top, everybody have their own idea. Everybody have their own idea. Everybody have what they want to think about this matter. But now my own at the top say, man, not the pack leave woman for Europe, for Africa. Now woman the pack leave woman. Now woman before man go come, woman don't leave. If you don't want the man again, and the man is threatening, you know some men go be they will threaten you. Say, you cannot leave me. That you leave me, I will kill you. You know? And so women will just stamp the man when the man is not there and escape. But this one now man, now they pack leave you, they leave woman for Europe now. Can they pack both bed and all? Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is really painful. Anyway, the woman, I don't want to condemn her, but I just want to give advice to every ladies out there that staying with a man who has not married to you, it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. And don't call a man who is not married to you in your traditional way or English way, my husband. No, it's not your husband. It's your baby father. It's your lover. So don't waste your time with any man who is not ready to get married to you. After spending time with the man for some years, 2-3 years, like what I always say, ask this man to go and marry you. If this man don't want to marry you, then let the relationship off. Finish with the relationship than wasting your time. At the end, the man will just dump you. And this advice to go with ladies. We have to learn, not because say Europe now woman get power would intimidate the men, you know, because you don't know which one be your real man where God create for you. But God create Adam and Eve. He create Adam and Eve, same they stay together. You understand? And Adam and Eve stay together, have children together, and they respect each other. And they say the man will be the head of the house. We could not use the Europe, they say now woman they get power till they intimidate the man. We could always remember in the front of our mind and our head that the man is the head in the house. The woman is a supporter to the man. The woman is the woman is not a punch bag for the man. It's not like the man will be treating the woman bad. No, they have to love each other, cherish each other, respect each other, and do things together, cooperate together. They say every successful man, there's a good woman behind the man, and every successful woman, there's a good man behind the woman. In Europe, here, we have to cooperate together as a couple. We have to team together because our people are not here. We are here for each other. So if God bless you with a good man, deal with that man, respect the man. Treat the man as a man. Cherish the man. Respect him. Treat him like a man. And you as a man, don't say because your woman treats you like a man, you know this year will be so. You cannot call your neighbor come and help me. Your mother is not here. Be a supportive to your wife. Try to help the woman so that the woman will still be having time for herself to look beautiful. You understand? Try to help her. When she's busy cooking, taking care of the you as a man, you go out with the children. If you are not at work, you go out, go through, and before you come back, the woman will finish cleaning, cooking, and all. But you see, the man just lie down and watch TV. The woman will be taking care of children. The woman will be cleaning. The woman will be cooking. It's too much for her. It's too much. You understand? It's too much. So we have to support each other. We have to support each other. We have to respect each other. We have to love each other. We have to treat each other right. We have to treat each other right. We have to treat each other right. And if you be man, you don't love woman, not because of say you want a paper, then you go deal with the woman. Then after you have the paper, then you go dump the woman. Then you begin to talk bad about the woman. Forget say the woman carry your pikin for her. Forget say as you distress that woman, you distress the innocent children who don't know anything. Some men they are here in Europe. Some people have wife in Africa. They are just looking for someone who they will use to have what they want. And because of they want something from that woman, they don't really want the baby. So the love, they're not show that love to the child. So they don't even care what happened to the child. Whether the woman go depressed, the woman go depressed, frustrate, and depressed, frustrate, and end up losing the children. They don't care. As far as they have the documents and they are working and they will plan to bring their family from the real one they love, the real woman they love, the real children they love, they bring from Africa here. For them it's okay. But the one here, because of they want something, they don't care about that at all. Whether their life is strong, because it's not every woman that's strong enough to take some stress. So women are not strong enough to take stress. You know, everybody is not the same. Why some? They are very strong. They are prepared to wait it. You know, but some no. And that is why you see most of ladies are losing their children. So anything go with another man, who will not think only benefit for themselves. Who will think my blood now be that? Even though I don't love that woman, but the woman have my baby. My blood is there. There's a way to do it right that will not affect the innocent children. So my people, thank you for watching. I hope this message will let somebody something. Please put your comment there. Do not say, put a comment that will hurt her more, but just put an encouraged comment there, word that will encourage her. And ladies, learn from this, that you don't have to spend all your time with a man, 11 years, 4 years, 5 years with a man without getting married to you. And stop calling your baby papa husband. No, it's not your husband. It's your baby father. Till you put the ring in your hand, then it's your husband. So thank you guys for watching. I'm your sister, I'm your friend, I'm your girl. This is True Talk Margaret TV. Thank you for watching, thank you for thank you for subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye, love you guys, bye. Choose.